Okay, I'm Vic Rizzo with Rizzo Controls LLC. We developed a remote wireless boat lift for a premier dock system. It's made by Joe Dickman's company up in Indiana. And today we're going to demonstrate how you can lower and raise your lift remotely with either an iPhone or this remote control that we've developed. So first thing we'll do is we'll vent the air out of the tanks by hitting a simple button here. Walk over here, we can see the valve that just opened up. So we have a solenoid valve here. We're venting the air out right here, which is letting the boat go down.